love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends, I trust you would have actually enjoyed the first part of string. If you have any questions, you know where to contact. And like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me your valuable time, and the other is my wife Jayashree for being my support. Thank you. Till we see next time, take care. Cheers. In today's lecture, we'll be seeing about strings. Even though strings actually sounds like a very simple topic, we'll be having a series of lectures. And as you see the lectures, you will be knowing why I've actually divided this into like multiple lectures. Again, our motto is do one thing, study one thing, do it properly, keep your hands on, and make sure like you actually mastered that particular concept before we move on to the next one. So far what we have seen is data types, number, casting. And this has come into 3 lectures. So this is like strings. As I said, strings will be in a series of lectures. Even though strings actually operates like just like a simple text. Okay, now let's actually take for an example. I can actually say in my Anaconda this thing, I can say like this, print, be it in a single quotes or double quotes. It does not matter. Both are strings. Okay, so let's actually do this. So both are strings. Okay, so the single quotes or double quotes does not matter. Now we can actually also assign a variable. Remember, this is the very first lecture that we actually saw, and let's actually try this. I can say a equals either the single string or double string. I can say hello, and what I can say is print a. It is going to give me hello. Okay, so it does not matter whether single or double. So this is a variable, this thing. Now what we are going to be seeing is something interesting called indexing. Okay, and how to treat this as arrays. Remember, we talked about arrays, sets, tuples. Remember, the array is like the square bracket, the set and the tuple. So let's actually take this as an example and let's see how it is actually working. Okay, so what I'm actually going to be doing here is I'm going to say a equals hello world. Okay, and what I'm going to be saying is just see this. Okay, just see this, and let's also take this as it is. Okay, let's see this, and let's go here. Hello comma, there is a space. If you see, there is a space and then there is an exclamation mark. What I'm actually saying is print, saying a, see this square brackets 1. Okay, here it is print a, print here square brackets of 1. Now if I say run, let's see, it has given me e. What is this actually? Now basically it starts from 0, it goes to e. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's take another example. And there is also reverse indexing. You can also come from here, which we will also be practicing. Let's actually take this. Let's actually say print, hey, how about 5? According to me, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and let's see what it gives. See, come on. So this is the 6th one and this is the 12th one. So let's actually see what the 12th one is. Exclamation. So this is called indexing. Okay, and we can also reverse index, which will also be seeing. And if you can actually if you can actually know this, it will be very useful in your programming. Okay, when more and more of less and less. So let's actually, if you want to do this, okay, if you want to find the length of this is exactly what I actually said. I can copy, I can paste, I can say print len of A. And here, see here, it is not a square bracket, it is just like a normal bracket. 13. And how does this 13 come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you guys see that? So as I always say, every programming language is nothing but simple mathematics, simple arithmetic. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, if you know this logic, if you know how to do this, then everything you're going to get it. Okay. So let's actually make it slightly more interesting. Okay. Slightly more interesting. Let's actually see this. Okay. It does not matter like this. What I can say is print A. What is my 2:5? Let's actually run this and see what it gives me. It gives me LLO. So what it means is 1, 2. I'm sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So basically from the second, okay, and this is the second L, okay, it 0, 1, 2, it takes a second, 3, 4, 5. So this is what it actually gives me. Okay, now say suppose if I actually take this and if I say print A 2 of 6. See, so it actually starts in the second, ends in the sixth. Okay, that is how we have to do it. Now say suppose if you want the entire thing, okay, so entire hello. Okay, so what I would actually do is I would take it as it is. I would say print A 5. See, the entire thing. So this is only 5. So it is actually taken the entire thing. It is not taken, it is taken from 0 to 5. So 0 is here. So that is how it actually assumes. Okay, good enough, right? Now let's actually move on to negative indexes. So there are other things also here. Okay, so the other thing is let's actually take this. Okay. I have to say print A dot upper this and then I'm closing with this. Okay, this is a syntax. So now everything is in the upper. Now if I actually do another one, everything is lower. Now if I want to remove the white space, it is called strip. Let's see what the white space is. Okay, see, if there is any extra space, that is being stripped off. Okay, now let's see whether these things are actually important. Let's see what this thing is. Okay, let's see what this thing is. So the text is, the best things in life are free. Print expensive, not in text. Let's see what it gives. It is true. So what it basically says is, this is a string, right? This is a text, and this is something like, what we say is the best thing in lives are free. There is nothing called expensive here. So the expensive is not in the text. Again, if you see the booleans, there will be three things. The boolean will actually covering after strings and or not. So this is a not command and this is not in this thing. So which is true. Okay, so let's actually take another thing. This is like a loop, okay, and we will be coming into loop, so don't worry about it. We will be coming into, okay. What I did here was, there is syntax to be followed, okay. Remember, like we also made some errors and we corrected. Now see, it has to come here. So there is syntax. See, so this is like an if then else command. So basically what it actually says is, if my expensive is not present in the text, I'm asking to print no expensive is not present. Okay, so as simple as that. So even though we saw, like, you know, an if then and if command, we saw a boolean, this is just a continuation. And remember, I also told about negative indexing. We will continue that in the next chapter. I think this is quite a mouthful of commands for you to try. So thank you for watching this lecture. We'll continue in the next chapter. Namaste friends. I trust you would have actually enjoyed the first part of string. If you have any questions, you know where to contact. And like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me your valuable time, and the other is my wife Jayashree for being my support. Thank you. Till we see next time. Take care.